Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make gradient text in photopea. Let's begin. See this background, press Ctrl to the duplicate background and color fill. Again create a new layer, type text, wait 5 seconds, wait some moment. Then click anywhere and type any text. Move tool, transform control, active, hold control, background, align, middle. Double click, choose your text style. Okay. Click blending option, effect, blending mode, color, gradient overlay. Double click, use color. One and use color. Two or use color. Three. Click and edit color. Double click and change color as you wish. I do not use this options. Click OK and see this angle. Radial, reflected. I use liner. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.